Here.
Oh! Ouch!
Drop through.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. They dropped
Ah! Dropped
out of the
everything.
746.
Back to the beginning.
ADXN, man, ADXN. ADXN.
Went back to start.
Holy crap. We don't have shorts on it. Too bad.
I was more long guys on it. I would have taken it at $17. Jeez, where did my
Well, now that it already went up that much.
Now I know.
Oh,
He's gonna halt.
yeah. That's the halt number.
CRTD's halted.
Yeah. Givo just dropped. Bought the unit. Gained in the open.
What the fudge? All the way down.
GRTS just dropped everything down into 22.
Down back to that level. Gene's my watch right now, man. Gene's at my level. Oh, it's below it. Oh, it's way below it. Jeez, man, nothing's moving from there. Did ADXM hold down? What the fudge, man? Oh, geez. Everything's dipping. This is a tough one, man. Oh, God.
Fuck.
There's the Powerball winner.
What's up, Powerball winner?
Hey man, you owe us a bill. Where's
Dude,
my
I'll take
bill?
my mail. You can send it like cashier check, or I'll give you my bank account info.
I'll drive over there and pick it up.
I will drive over there and pick it up, and that's way bigger.
He's gonna sit there waiting for him to send it to you. No, you go pick that up.
I will fly over, man. I'll drive over. I'll walk over. Hell.
I chase this one.
BBIG, man, but that was a hard one to grab off the bell. So I'm gonna look for this area to hold. Wait for the bow back. Patience.
Givo's dropping.
BBIG is my watch now.
Yeah. That one's going.
Yeah. Looking for a pullback on it. That's just like, what are they talking about this Powerball thing? Anything Lancey Pants?
No.
Reset. Tried to get frickin' fancy and get Phil on the ass for some stupid reason.
BBIG. Jeez, BBIG. Why don't you just keep going up? I'm gonna need BBIG to chill out now.
bunch of nothing on my end.
Yeah, no.
What are you in, Tim? At least I can watch something.
I was in ADTX.
Jeez, BBBY fell right through my level. My lord.
I was mad at myself. I missed DBD. I was trying to get fancy with it by getting in on the ask when I should have just hit the bid, and then I couldn't get filled. And then it just dropped like 50 cents.
Well, cool.
Well,
I
BB,
made a little bit in the free market. We got nothing in the dome. Oh, ADTX, that one's trying. Didn't even alert on me. You got something on watch, Jag?
no. I mean, I'm looking around, but nothing really looks.
Fantastical?
No.
That's how I feel, dude.
I am not a happy camper over here with what's going on. BB's coming off the bottom.
DB?
BB, yeah.
Oh, BB.
It dropped big, and then it's starting to come up now.
Yeah, just didn't have a lot of room there.
It's got no. Doesn't look good. Gene dropped
I'm so annoyed with DBD. It should have
to
been.
the 680s.
Should have been in that one.
He's just playing around
My
down
own
there.
fault.
ADTX is dropping.
Maybe it's
Wow, I was weird.
Yeah, that's why you're weird.
higher power. Actually, worth this one. Probably not. Oh, maybe. What the hell's up with that? It's fucking weird.
Wait, the S dropped like a rock. Retro.
That's so anticlimactic for me.
Yeah, especially like yesterday, there was a bunch to open.
Yeah, dude. I knew I didn't really have a great watch list too, but
But still, usually something at least breaks somewhere to give us
yeah,
something.
you know, like do something that's like, yeah, that's the one. Some I'm like, IDK.
LXRX.
I don't think we have short.
Come on, push, 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 push.
Full stadium June.
Take a little more off there just in case. I like this volume. But sell off at 450 now.
CMRX looks good. You gonna go to entry, Thomas?
Not as good as I wanted, of course. 58.
Yep.
Alright, man.
Should have stayed in June. Oh well.
Is that taking off?
Yeah, I got him out of it. It started going down, so I got out.
I'm trying to be a little patient with this bad boy, but we'll see. low as you can go for me, buddy. Alright, let's push up. Shit, can I go retest that 4? There, it's gone. Alright, I'm out of it. Got a little winner out of that one. Not what I really wanted, but I'm gonna post in a minute. This might still go.
ADTX.
Hmm?
ADTX.
Yeah. There, we got big volume. Took load on this, huh?
Which one?
ADTX.
ADTX is 9 mil.
Oh, I gotta be a little careful. PB, it's a blue. SYPR, what is that? 2. This one.
Oh, 1 penny. Come on.
Sniper.
There we go.
Nope. What you watching, Lance?
I don't know. I'm kind of just poking around. UAVS, I missed the off the bottom from a drop after I got some.
Well, decent job.
No, that. AD. How much you still in CMRX?
On leftovers, yes sir. Took 50 at VWAP.
Oh, good. What's your VWAP at?
Looks about 10:07.
Okay. Oh, so you got it right down there. Okay. Good.
Yes, man, I'm feeling a little FOMO on that one.
Yeah.
I wasn't watching it at all. Call him out!
I told you I was in that before.
I think I was in the other trade, dude.
Hey, what's up, Justin? Dude, this
I got
morning
some, and then
sucked.
I got it at the
I
top over
somehow
before it went down, and then
disabled my
didn't
alarm.
watch it
I
anymore.
seriously have no idea how. I haven't turned that same alarm off for months, and somehow it didn't go off. I literally woke up at 9:27.
It's in a spot I could break big.
Tried to scramble to get everything together.
Yeah.
Pissed at myself with ADTX, the way I traded it, but then I was even more pissed that I missed. Was it DBD? Yeah. This thing popped over 1350, and I hit the ask at 1360 and didn't get filled. And I even tried to come down to 1354, still didn't get filled. And then it literally dropped all the way to 1299 or 1291 without me. I was so pissed. And I mean, the bid, it wasn't spready, like the bid was up there. The bid was at 1354. And I don't know why I tried to get fancy with it, but I did.
Yep, it did. I looked at that earlier and I just didn't do it.
Yeah, I liked the daily on it when I looked at it, but I was like,
So I had to kind of mentally reset. But ended up getting LXRX there, even though it was on SSR. It was a good chart.
UAVS has no volume.
Alright, let's do this. Yeah, I mean, UAVS is not making me happy. Alright, man. Maybe in that trade's just waiting patiently to come to me. IPWR, man, this one could be the wacky one of the day.
Shit, excuse me.
Chilo footer?
Yeah, 3.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's real low. I didn't realize it was that low.
I'm a little nervous, but I'm still willing to play it. DBIG's going? Oh, shoot, man. All these things are going without me, dude. They keep jumping.
That BBIG is coming down now.
Lord, dude, I cannot find the trade today. More minutes on the S-Power. Alright, she's gotta shut up a little bit. Swear to God, I'm gonna... Wacky market today, guys.
Yep.
Well, not a good sign when I haven't had my trade yet. ADTX is pushing back up.
Okay. Take it. I'll be right back.
big. One more push. Nope. Alright, I'm all out. Not a bad winner there, dude.
You got into the beginning of the with that candle up.
Yeah, I got in as it kind of broke above the previous candles.
Yeah.
Posted real fast. Nah, there it goes. National push higher. Little BBIG.
We've got like 10 seconds.
Ah, you little BBIG. Oh, you BBIG. Oh, she's hurting me hard. She's hurting me hard. Oh my god, she's killing me. Oh, BBIG.
I missed eye power. I'm glad I missed eye power. I'm not glad I missed eye power.
Oh, BBIG. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, dude, BBIG. Oh, my heart.
Pour that cayenne pepper on them, BBIG.
Why do you want me to love me? Why are you so mean to me?
How is that not home?
Why you gotta be so rude? My lord, dude, I'm having trouble figuring out what to trade. Nah, I'm just keeping an eye on BBIG for now. Roll that beautiful bean footage. I think that BBIG moved.
That was not even showing up on the charts on my scanners.
You got a float standard or something?
I don't know. Let's see. Don't know. My power's still going. Should have got in.
Back. And I'm not somewhere.
Oh, that sucks. I got in BBIG at 8:13. I got out at 8:70 for some stupid reason.
Oh god, I'm in it.
You're in BBIG again?
I'm about to be out of it if it stops me out here. Hold on. Push. I got in late to this. Little bit of a chase. Hold above mine.
I'm about to say that sound like FOMO.
A little bit of a chase. It's working, but I'm not adding to this. Come on, push. Show me your power. Nope, gotta take it off. Okay, I made more on that. I'm over goal. Oh yeah, whatever.
Oh, yeah, what?
I don't feel great about that last trade, but I'm like, hey, got me over goal, whatever. That was not a P&L trade. That was I chased it and I felt like I needed to get out of it trade. I bought that high, dude. I mean, that is not a, I mean, it might go higher, dude, but I feel no regrets right now. Just gotta pull back. I gotta chill out with that thing, dude. Thing hasn't even come back and touched a moving average yet, you know? It's freaking crazy trade I just did. Right, there it goes. There's the pullback. Jeez.
Some Zynga puts? Oh, jeez.
Freaking trade ideas sound like it's starting a cult. A cult.
cult?
X puts.
BBIG. BBIG.
Oh, I don't know.
Who do we worship?
Yeah, that definitely worked out.
I'm in SSPK short.
Where's this ETM gone?
Heard me wrong that one. SSPK?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Whoa. What is up with that daily?
Yeah,
Seems really
that's what stopped
slow.
me. The daily.
Yeah, and daily is a little intimidating. It seems weird when there's ones like that that I somehow haven't really looked at. But I mean, this has gone like straight up on the daily chart for like a week and a half.
Yeah, I'm out.
I'm like, how have I not seen this?
Oh, I hope we didn't discourage you.
No,
Yeah,
the spread got a little crazy.
Yeah, volume's light, dude. Only 800,000 volume. That's probably why I've never seen it. Is that what it trades regularly? Like, what? Yeah, it's a lower volume trader. 1 million, 1.5 million. Yesterday's was the biggest, 3.5 million.
Yeah, the spread went to 25 cents at one point.
That announced in their quarterly letter that AGO Greenlight Capital is short AGO Alpha Golf options. Short guarantee.
The ask is pretty spready.
A short guarantee. They guarantee it.
Put it in writing.
Just gonna take this off.
If it doesn't work, you'll pay me back.
I was gonna say, I'm just gonna take the smaller winner there. I mean, be happy with it. Well, there went that ETM.
That's like super shady. How do you...
I don't know. I haven't had good luck with these higher priced ones lately. Looks like it would have worked fine. I wasn't too big on it either. Yep, there it went. I don't know if we would have got filled there. We were sitting at 28. See if the ask comes down through it. Ask comes down through it. I haven't seen any prints down there yet.
Is a short guarantee. They say the short guarantee is a short.
But if we would have waited, oh, there it goes. So we probably would have got filled right there. If we would have waited just a second longer, probably would have at least got an extra 20 cents there. But it's all good. Not gonna complain about a winner.
BBIG to buy around here?
Watching it.
ETM. I was seeing if I wanted to pop through 450.
I wait for
What
it
is
to
Sun
come
W
down
doing?
there,
I keep.
because it could
Okay,
bottom
yes.
fall out here.
I don't know, but I don't have level 2 or anything here. I'm just looking at the price action.
I like this song. What is this?
How are you buying these puts?
Where's the Veshy, man?
He's alright, he's awfully quiet.
Yeah, I'm fine. I had a really late start this morning.
Yeah,
My
You say you cashed your lotto ticket.
I did buy one, but not for this one. I bought it for Mega Millions.
No, you should have bought the Powerball. Somebody in Maryland won.
Really?
This one wasn't good enough for you?
Something like 130 million. We were trying to say, okay, I mean, should I get like $1 million out of this?
130. I mean, 700.
7 something, yeah.
700 million?
The difference between Powerball and Mega Millions was
Like, you could throw your like OGs if you a million apiece. I mean, come on.
Yeah, Devin and
I
I
would-
we're arguing about who you longer. That way we would get more.
I wouldn't be that guy, but I wouldn't give one more than the other. That's just not how I work. But Devin definitely would have got more.
I will each get 5. Hold on.
I'm not that
Where's
guy.
that
but-
moderator button? Where's that moderator button? Let me go find that moderator button.
Dude, can you imagine going to bed and waking up with $700 million?
Yeah, that'd be nuts.
I mean, that is
Dude,
a bananas amount of money.
I wonder where it was sold.
Devin, I imagine that every night when I go to sleep.
Oh, do you? That's like life-changing money.
Hey, should I take profit on CMRX on leftovers right now?
CMRX?
You're still in that?
Yeah, I'm still holding leftover.
Yeah.
Abingdon, Maryland.
Hold on. I mean, dude, it could go down to like 930s. I could go down to 930s, bro. I mean, watch this 964 level. If that breaks, dude, I think you got a little more. It's just really extended. Take some profit.
What are we doing? What are we doing here?
I took profit. I'm on leftovers. I'm on my last quarter.
Yeah, that could keep dropping, dude. I mean, it's a weird little pop over these highs, but I don't know, man. That's a crazy one. That's a weird daily. It's a really weird daily. Talking to you while watching the stupid BBIG.
Pola's doing something silly.
Waiting for a pullback further.
Hola.
I don't really buy bottoms, dude. I mean, I mean, unless it's like an extreme falling off the bottom, of, low of the day. These ones
Well,
I
that
don't
quick,
buy.
I missed it.
That happened fast.
Yeah, the
I try not to buy bottoms off the top, but I'll buy bottoms off the bottom, if that makes any sense. I'll buy extreme dips. I won't buy an extreme dip or a dip from the high.
I missed that one. My
That's
own
like
fault.
really
I was
serious.
messing with the whole trying to figure out the Powerball thing.
What are you watching, man? What?
I'm looking at iPower, but I don't trust it.
This ADTX is something. God, it's all over the place today, bro.
Yeah, it's moving.
6 though is my next level. Then that's 728.
Wow, iPower just the bottom dropped out. It's gonna halt low.
It's a bummer that I was in this thing. At like frickin' $4.
Which one? iPopper?
ADTX.
Oh. Yeah, iPower halted to the bottom.
BBIG rounding up yet? Yep.
It just
Wow.
started.
Oh man, I left half it on the table. I got an 776, got out 805.
Remember ADTX. Now some. Let me let this run. Get over here.
Looks like I ended up being right here on TAL.
Let's go.
I mean, is what it is. At that point, it's kind of 50-50. So.
Let's go.
Pola actually coming back up as well. Oh, the
Maybe it's
ADTX
shorts
back
on
the
that
high day. I'm out of shorts on the ADTX, and that thing's going bananas.
Break even on ADTX. I got a feet.
How are you break even on that? That thing went all, you got in all the way up here? Holy shit.
No, I sold half of it at the top, and then I got out the rest at the top.
Yeah, but to be break even, you still don't look at it now.
The SLA has those store surge in home market like the Model Y doesn't want to take the SLA.
Alright, I'm back in. Still trying to run. I got in for the breakout on that 3-bar play, and I got a bad fill.
3-bar play? Who the fuck are you?
Huh?
Wow.
3-bar play all the time.
Hold on a second. I gotta go Google that term. What are you talking about?
3-bar. where you
That's
have
a
break-even.
Jared
That is
play.
Jared. That is a Jared move.
Those are like fancy words.
I like Jared. Jared's one of my favorite of the.
No, yeah, same here.
I mean, he's literally one of my favorites because he's kind of no BS.
Yep, that's exactly why I like him. I also think he fibs a little too, but he still has no BS.
But he's,
I mean,
he's
he-
legit, you know.
Yeah, he's legit. He just kind of hides some stuff.
Like losses, are you saying?
Oh, 100%, yeah.
Oh shit.
But
ADTX.
he'll be straight up with you, like, when it comes time, like, about his actual, like, overall statistics.
Okay. I got back in this thing.
I don't know how you're buying this thing. Like, I get it, I guess, but
I
that's just
clicked
some...
buy.
Yeah, it's some dangerous shit.
Alright, I'm all out. Boom, dude. Dude, it's freaking just trading momentum. That's my favorite.
Yeah, well, when you're in a market where it's actually following through, it's nice, yeah. Yeah, I don't disagree with you.
Yeah, when you just trade momentum, I mean, you can just take them, get the wins, man. Just pop, pop, pop.
Right now, they're working.
AGTX? ADTX. That's just talking about what I'm looking at.
Brad, I love you, man. I love you.
Yeah, I mean, it's getting a little cinder for me now. Like, I kind of need a pullback.
Yeah, LXRX was my bigger winner today.
Or one. Nah, they ain't gonna pull back more than this, is it? Nah, this one might drop. Bottom might pull out of here and then drop to 5 even. There it goes. I should just take it all off at those tops instead of freaking partialing out, dude, because this thing is definitely a pop drop, pop drop, pop drop. I took that second one way smaller share size too, because it is high.
WKHS reports March 27 full sweep and 2094. That's WKHS. S&P is popping here.
I'm so not sure about this right here.
SYPR, different solution, popping new highs down 290, about 47%
watching, Jack?
ADTX.
Just FYI, I
My fib lines on
I
that
know I
one
was
is
talking
the
about
top
trying to
one,
get
but
in
it's
DBD or
728,
whatever it was. I
but
think it
if
was
it's below
DBD.
100, it's 586.
Yeah, DBD.
586.
I, for some reason, I had my stream going, and after that, I actually looked and saw that no one was in here, and I was wondering why. I apparently still had it set to private for some reason. I don't. There were so many things that were off this morning. Maybe I like woke up in my sleep last night and changed something. I don't know. I honestly, my alarm didn't go off. My stream was set to private, which I never did. I don't understand what was happening. But when it processes, that should all be there, and you can see when the stream started just how freaking stupid tired I was. I literally woke up like a minute and a half before the bell. Thankfully, the wife got me up.
So no
Like,
good
are
trading, so.
you working today?
I don't dislike it, man. Just not quite that brave yet.
Break it, break it, break it, break it. Break over 6, make me happy.
You take a little profit there, or do you just let it ride?
Took some profit.
Yeah, what is Polo doing? Okay.
I mean, I see your entry, dude. I see how you came up with that idea, but I'm assuming you got in kind of after this little doji form.
Well, I had 3 ads.
Oh, you were getting it on the way down. I got you.
Looks very
That would
grindy.
not have been my entry.
Alright.
It wasn't my ideal.
My trade would have been this
My
candle
entry
here.
would have been like roughly 570 on the way back up.
Yep.
I literally played it in my mind how I would have played it, which is why I was like, you're in the sun. I didn't take it because it's not my normal.
I took a little more
Pretty
profit.
interested
right
at
there.
17 here.
Come on, break it. There we go. There we go. Keep going. Keep going.
Ah, you're supposed to get there first.
Keep going. Keep
I missed that one. Ask is
Yeah,
kind of
no.
fishy there. I mean, when we would have got in versus where the ask is now, it's still not even really that big of a win. Like 15, 20
So what's your
cents.
average on that?
When we would have been looking for a lot more than that. Oh,
where did
oh
we
no,
see
the
it?
ask is still there.
575, I think.
We could have put an order out, obviously, but
Your average all the way down
I was
to
really
575.
looking for that to
Yeah.
test that 17
I'll
area.
post it.
Right. Does she have any books to read? Okay.
I just posted it.
Okay. Right. Life has to go back. Life has to go back to normal somewhat.
His Polo ended up working out too.
Okay, fine. At least it's not round trip. At least it's not round trip. Right. right.
Wow, there's TAL. What is that thing doing?
Yeah.
TAL.
What?
TAL. It's a little expensive for you guys, but
It's only $80. Not that bad. I just don't want to
Going crazy.
This is not. Oh, that's a big move, man. I ain't shorting that.
20, 30 cent spread. Spread's jumping.
I'm Garbaggio.
oh yeah, 20-30 cent spread, but it's moving 5 points.
Yes. What's that?
Risk with me, man. Too much risk.
Even if you just take the car.
Did Steve ever get out of Gene? Do we know?
I don't know.
Use your mom's car.
Did you get in it, Tim?
No. I didn't like the way this one was trading when I was in it. I got in this one earlier.
Right.
Breakthrough here, say see ya.
It's getting propped too, according to the bubbles.
According to the bubbles.
Yeah, they're propping it.
What the hell, man? High power was at 17 and it went down to 1224.
Did it?
That's a little
Well,
bit of
you
a.
didn't tell me you were thinking you were going to hang out for 5 weeks. How long were you here? How long?
Are you still in CMRX?
Roger, Roger.
It's working out.
Yeah, just moving stock, playing the pivots.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Pivot.
I'd say I am, but I'm not at the same time because I obviously would have missed that last pivot. Ooh, deal just took off.
Crazy.
Wow, went right through all-time highs.
So easy. So easy. Right. No problem. My pleasure.
The spread's keeping me out of it here. I was waiting to see what it did through all-time highs, but that thing dropped so quickly.
You'll get out of here at some point. Hopefully you'll get out of here
Wow.
at some point. Hopefully you'll be able to leave at some point. Yes. You moved out of this house for a reason.
Totally missed that move. That was
I got
that
it.
happened pretty fast. You got it? Nice.
Well, I got it early, then I added at the top.
Real nice. Yeah, sometimes you have to. That was a pretty quick squeeze.
Yeah.
That's why I was excited, but I wanted to, it was right at all-time high, so I wanted to see what it did, and then it just dropped like a rock. It didn't give me a couple seconds of seeing what it did. It just said, later. Which sometimes already being in the trade like you were is an advantage, because then you just hit that button up at the, like when you just feel like it could be the top, instead of waiting to see what it does. Because sometimes when you wait to see what it does, it's too late.
Drop under 81. Make daddy happy.
There you go.
With the police
Yeah.
around the house. I saw it yesterday. I was like, really? Just because Biden's president doesn't mean they're going after Gary. He's not a target.
Oh, is that what you're telling them, Steve?
I saw that. I saw it. I was like, come on.
This might go under 80.
He's not that.
There was a big bid there, and it pulled out. Really no
I'll tell him. Don't worry.
support until... Oh, actually, so I'm stepping in here now.
Right. All right.
Yeah, it's kind of staggered all the way down now.
My pleasure.
I'm out.
Yeah, it's people started to jump in there. It's crazy on the 2-minute chart. There's still not a red candle. I'm right back. Crazy. Yeah, that thing's a little crazy.
And then I ended up bigger than I wanted to be, but it worked out.
Yeah? Yeah, I just straight up missed it.
I'm in high power.
I assume long.
High power.
Yeah. Oh,
Well, that thing's halted twice already today.
Yeah.
get rid of some of this here. Okay. This thing got really spready on me.
High power.
Yeah, like 30-40 cents spready.
Wow.
I might have to just get out of this, dude. I want VWAP so bad. It's this spread that keeps getting this thing screwy. Just gonna taste that VWAP. trades that don't seem fun. Jeez, man, 20 cents. Go ahead and go away, that's cool. Alright, I'm gonna take a little bit more off there, dude. Now I'm just on left field efficiently. Thought I was trading this smart. I was going with just 200 shares, and then it freaking got all spready and dropped on me, so I just rounded it up to 5. 1330 is gonna be my stop loss. 1329, 1330. Just had an alert go off for home.
Which one?
HOME.
Yeah.
It's gotta have been set a long time ago. I don't know what it's
Yeah, it's running up. Not a whole lot of volume, but it is uptrending.
Who?
just some random worker.
Boom, HOME.
Yep.
Oh, and I'm all out of CMRI.
I'm gonna just be patient on this unless you guys tell me something else is freaking going nuts.
ADTX is starting to go up.
AD what?
TX.
Yeah, not crazy yet. James dropping. There's up. That's that alert. Alright, that stopped me out. That was a win. What's this crazy trade? Volume on that was poop. Alright. And ADTX is not going up. One was breaking under those previous highs. Lions poop. Well, I don't know what to trade. That level meant something. got the latest and greatest?
I'm in ADTX.
Long?
Yeah.
I think we only have one from that, huh?
Yeah.
Looks like it's working for you.
Watching BBBY. It's not fast enough yet, but watching it.
Story of my life. No short.
I mean, this isn't a short yet anyway, but it's just grinding.
Yeah. Here comes the bottom.
Oh, there's a BBBY. It might be web. Telling you, man. Yeah, I'm start listening to my calls and just freaking hold.
Steve, Steve, what are you doing?
Playing some pocket pool.
With us in the pocket. All out of ADTX.
Yeah.
Come on, break 28. Stopping out of this break
BBIG
even.
just dropped about $1.
Doesn't matter. 14.
Yeah, you did?
Not messing with that.
Yeah.
Stopped out of BBBY. Took a break even.
You didn't do what you wanted.
No, I wanted it to break 28 there, and it wouldn't. And it got really slow for some reason.
Yeah, I was watching. I was like, okay, they went to lunch.
Yep, I see. There it goes. A little fake out breakout possibly. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from that. That's a little too grindy. That was my one shot at it there through 28. See if it wanted to come back down through and fail back to 27.50, but no bueno. AZRX. What's the float on this thing?
AZRX?
Zebra.
2 shares.
We don't have shorts.
With a 2-share float.
I mean, it might be.
Well, there's floats listed 0, but 34.9 million outstanding.
Gotcha.
2
I was
available.
hoping to see this go a little bit more.
I'm around town.
Definitely forgot to mute my mic for that. Sorry.
Should have held on to some ADTX.
Yeah. Oh well. Live and learn.
BBBY. Or wait, that went higher? Huh? Just came back down? Yeah, never mind. I thought that was under 28.
Global Times says more COVID-19 vaccine being approval China's total production capacity will likely be 4 million doses a year, covering 40% of global demand. That's the president of the China Vaccine Industry Association. That's the Global Times now.
Jason, what's up, man? Good morning. Gene? Nice. Let's see, what's Gene look like? The heck kind of, I'm assuming you went short on this thing? I don't really see any kind of a play in here. Maybe just continuation to the downside. What's Pola doing? Looks like Pola might be pretty silly today on SSR.
What was that one you were saying? AD what?
It was AZRX.
RX? AZRX, yeah. That's a cheap one.
Yeah. Gotcha, Jason. Nice. Have the buttons been working?
Ooh, up at 1728, huh? Wow.
Yeah, things like grinding, being silly.
Is this all-time highs? Decent volume. Well, I don't know. It's like a great watch right now, man.
Just got some on Gene.
That thing at like $2.
What?
What is that thing at? Like $2 now?
Yeah, it's a little over 6.
How are you getting some on that, man? God. That blows my mind.
That wasn't a ton, but I went in with decent size, so
ADTX just dumped.
Yep.
Oof, don't like that. I think these are all dying now. That does not make me want to buy this
Not yet.
at all. Come on. Straight down we go. There, nothing.
Anyone looking at BBIG at this level?
No. Looking the other way.
Run away!
He's dead.
Is that gonna pop back up to $8?
Eight?
UAL, United States virus testing.
I don't think so. But if you think it will, go for it. I got no conviction on that. Like, look how heavy this ADTX is, dude. Can't even bounce. It's trying, it can't bounce. And down further she goes. TRQR. That's going, and we got shorts on that. Halted. None of the halt. TRQR. It's got no volume. Good.
Units.
Yeah. Goodness, ain't my
PRQR? What the heck is this thing doing?
It's not halted.
What did I just scroll up? That just came out of a halt.
Yeah.
My bad, I wasn't paying attention. Yep, Jason. Sounds good. Yeah, when I'm done trading, I'll jump on with you.
No.
There's no volume.
You know, Jason, I just realized that you hit the join button. Appreciate that, man. I don't know why I didn't notice that before. I guess because like nobody does it. But yeah, I noticed it next to your name. Some people usually just donate. I have that link down in the description. People will just donate that way. People rarely hit the join button. The new Beast computer? Hell yeah. It's always nice to get a new computer, man. It's just like brand new. It's always nice. RHE going nutso? That thing just halted. A lot of these are on low volume. It's almost like they're pumps.
Alright, what?
RHE. I'm sure your lady would be screaming it at you right about now.
That's a
About a minute delay. Yeah, I got 2 mil. Hasn't rotated yet. It's only 25% of the way there.
Yeah.
I'm a Mac supporter. I appreciate it, man. Well, yeah, I think the sponsored is when you hit the join button, right? I'm pretty sure that's what you mean by that.
Ay, man. What is this frickin' Freaking pumping them day.
Seems that way.
Hate pumping them day. Unless you were in that room buying low somehow, you ain't gonna make no money. That's what they're hoping for, and then all the other idiots start buying it thinking it's going to the moon.
Oh. Tom's in the RHE halt.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Hope it comes out of there and rips.
He's got his average is at 4.
Oh, so.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, if you click on his chart, you can see the arrow there.
Oh, but that, is it 4? Didn't show us anything. Or is it come down?
Yeah, I'm assuming it was something off his like ZNGA thing, but it looks like it had already came out of a halt, so he must have hit it as it came out of the other halt.
Yeah. There's a big gap from what 372 or something up to 4.
I'm gonna try small size on Pola. Spready, but I think she's gonna take off.
Skim across, go, go, go. Yeah, of course, man.
I'm trying to see what it
I
does.
think you somewhat know me by now. If I can help, I'll help. I'm not asking for anything in return, but obviously I always appreciate it when people return the favor a little bit.
One again? Yep.
Trying.
You got shorts on that.
Scary.
BBPR.
You don't feel it, man. Like, shit volume. And all the volume's right here, you know?
I was thinking about VVPR, but it just dumped, and the spread is horrific.
Yeah, dude, today's there's a lot of going on. Things going on that don't give me the warm and fuzzies. I gotta pee, man. That'll probably save me from getting in this Pola and regretting it.
Spread on this is horrible. I'm gonna stay away from this one. I think I just traded this one earlier this week, actually. But I'm not gonna mess with it today. You know, Jason, you've actually, I mean, despite monetary stuff, you've been helping just expand my boundaries with DOS and the scripts and stuff like that. So, in a way, that's helping as well. So RHE is a longer halt, it looks like.
What is?
RHE looks like it's been 5 minutes already,
Yeah.
or over 6 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
indicating $19.50 on premium 64,000 Delta Foxtrot Hotel and NYCE Michael Yankee Tango Echo, indicating $31.33.
I'm trying some small size and Pola. That's TCN.
Nah, that ain't good. It's not doing nothing.
Sorry, we're having fun in the ISW chat. Ah, man. If we would have just... That was our trade today, guys, is that frickin' DBD. If we would have just got that one, we would have been sitting pretty over goal. But instead, we're a little bit short. We misplayed ADTX that first time. Look at what that thing did. That thing was crazy. But we misplayed it here. We hit the button way too late. We chased this thing down. We felt the FOMO. We felt that jiggle up there at 368. Thought about getting in around like 360, and then we chased it down at 351, looking for that 350 break. Didn't get it, but then we realized it popped. Then we got the new FOMO there, and then we got the nice cover. It ended up basically break even on that one. Made a nice little run. We were out of shorts up at this point though.
Everything's down. G down. PRQR up. What's the deal with PRQR? Is that low float or?
Yeah. Oh no, it's 43 mil.
Let's see. That's interesting. 49, yeah. What's, I don't know what's driving this. Maybe this? Goodbye, BBIG.
What's up, man?
You're now broken up.
I'm doing good. How are you? About to make sure my music starts back up.
RHE should be opening up in about 10 seconds.
Should be.
10 minutes.
Yeah, 50, yeah, 24.
What is it? R what?
RHE. There it is.
Robert Home.
Well, must be some pretty good news. It's going to try to halt again, looks like.
Really?
Yep.
Look at that thing.
I mean, if it didn't go straight down out of that, then yeah. I mean, at least in my experience, usually it ends up going up to the next halt.
There's definite resistance right up here, though.
Yeah, but do you really think a chart that's moving like this is worried about resistance? Where'd that resistance go? I saw the same resistance you were looking at, but something trading like this out of halts with this much volume all at once, it's not worried about resistance.
I would take profit.
Oh yeah, definitely. He's up over $1 at the moment, guaranteed.
Below there.
Ooh.
Got 2 small wins on ADTX.
ADTX?
Yeah.
I don't understand you. I can't even look at your charts anymore. Don't even tell me. Unless it makes sense to me. Don't talk to me.
I mean, just if you really look at ADTX, if you scroll out, he's basically the big drop, and then you're looking for it to slow down and start to come back up. Makes sense to me.
I'm hoping for a bigger bump that I'm getting, but I'm taking what I can get.
Well, yeah, usually when you find a support like that, I mean, granted, usually I feel like you trade the ones that are a little faster. Lately, yeah, it's been a little slower coming back up.
This isn't coming back up.
No, that's why I'm done with it, man. I don't trust it anymore.
I don't believe this is coming back up at all today. I think this is dead in my head. Like, there's no reason
For
to
like
go.
25, 30 cents is what I was hoping for, but
Like, up here, when it was holding like this 5 area, I still hoped that it could maybe run. But down here, I'm just like, it's dead. To me, there's no point. I can't trade that road anymore. For my trading style, you know?
And
Trying to get
halted
out
down.
of,
Oh, he
Looking
sold
for
at the
them
top.
coming up, not
yeah, he sold out. He sold in the perfect spot.
Like to me, that has
Yeah.
gone from an uptrend to a downtrend, and I can't short it. So what's the point? I'm not trying to long a downtrend. Yeah, what you gonna do, girl?
Yeah, Tom had a perfect. That was a perfect trade.
You get out
Best
of
stock for Joe
Yeah, he got out, like, at
presidency
the
for
top.
next 2 years.
Nice, man.
Before it dropped.
The
That was
Spy. I don't know.
great. Risky, but he did it.
I'm gonna say nice.
The halts always scam me.
Yeah, second to halt, man. I mean, dude, I remember back in the day, halts were like what we wanted, but they don't seem to be that lately. Remember you and me and Bess were always trying to get into halts. But dude, I'm in the halt. Now I'm like, dude, I'm in the halts.
Oh, it halted again? Oh, it halted down this time.
SYN gonna be the next pump and dump.
Which one?
Oh, it's not that amazing. Charlie's just being an idiot. I don't like that guy.
Charlie's a liar.
SSY is trying to go, but I mean, there's no freaking range. These are not for me. PRQR, that's kind of for me.
I actually didn't even realize that I had shares available in RHG. That thing was so close to the halt price up top. I could have totally just took some shares, and if it tried to halt, just get out of it. Whoops.
Yeah, you have shares on that? That's crazy.
Yeah, I didn't even realize it until just now.
You're crazy, Crash. Oh my god, dude. It's just that day that I'm not gonna be a happy trader. Hola, after shaking me out, went to the highs. That's over $1. That sucks. I'm not gonna trade that thing, dude. I don't like the spread. Oh my lord, guys.
So what do we think RHE is going to do coming out of the halt? Big mystery.
Die. I'm voting die.
That would be the logical vote.
Yeah. I mean, this market isn't logical, but that's my vote. I gotta pick go up or go down. I'm gonna say that thing's gonna drop.
Oh, sorry. Can I start with like $200 on penny stocks? I mean, you
Own it or
could.
move.
Should you? Probably not.
Going to hell. Wow, dude, today's awesome. This one, yes.
You're above goal, aren't you?
Damn.
So that's a good day.
Yeah, but right now it sucks. DDG, that thing's grinding its ugly butt up.
I mean, essentially.
He's only halfway.
Plus, penny stocks are just so manipulated.
10 seconds.
It's kind of, I mean, you're
4 seconds.
basically, I don't know. To me, with the penny stocks, you're basically just kind of gambling. So,
It's gonna go for a 10-minute halt. Going another 5.
And it's not open.
That's so disappointing.
And they're waiting for it to open, and then it doesn't.
Hurts me deep inside.
I'm getting bored. Put up with your 10 a dime.
You running, DD?
DDD. Yeah. Super ready, man.
It's 5 cents.
Now, second row. When I first pulled it up, it was 20 cents, and I was like, nah. This is running. I can't buy up here, man. I mean, the buy was down here like 32.17.
Yeah, I'm a little late to the party.
This isn't the buy. Yeah, I mean, I saw it there, but it was already up there like 32.40. Could have made a little bit, but still, it's just not my play. What if it breaks over this high here? 33.52. Oh. I don't know, boys and girls. Does everything look trash to everybody else, or is it just me?
No, it's not a pretty picture.
It's garbage.
Okay, cool. I'm making sure I'm not like just not seeing things today, because I'm looking at every single chart and just being like, no.
Is it Friday?
And Fridays are normally actually pretty good, so can't even criticize a Friday.
This is just.
Kind of been one of my better days as of late, weirdly. You saw I think Friday sucks, but that's not Friday.
CIDM.
Yeah, Charlie was talking about that one. It's cheap, right?
Yeah.
$1 something. Yeah.
It's starting to come down.
Coming down with these nuts.
Just gonna take it there. Take a little small winner. I didn't get the size I wanted there. Looks like we might have got the fill there if we waited a sec.
Before you do something silly.
I just ate a yogurt, man.
That's what I just drew.
FUSC. FUSC.
Hey.
Yeah, I just pulled that up.
Oh, geez. I thought you were talking crap.
And missed it that quick. Ooh, spread.
Yep.
Yeah.
Right.
Really. Damn, what a mess.
Yeesh.
Money!
Oh, RHE should be opening 10 seconds.
Why are you so excited?
It's something that's gonna move.
He's gonna jump in it. He's gonna catch the scoop.
Destroy it now.
Wow, look at that volume. That's crazy.
Are you in?
No.
Get in, dude, before the rocket ship takes off.
It can only go down. It can only go down to 397.
I mean, yeah, only like
True.
60 bid, bro. You have a set risk.
Sorry, I wasn't answering you. I wasn't watching.
It gets down to the whole price. I'm out.
SNPW isn't a ticker for me. Unless it must be an OTC stock or something.
Like 45 cents.
I just expected a little more movement out of that when it opened.
I somehow did not.
Oh,
I
crap,
thought
it's
the
snowing
bubble
again.
and it's just gonna be down it goes.
I wish I would have got the ad up there. I should have had an ad up there around 160. That would have made this trade
So did
nice.
Steve triple bag grits?
Is it back up?
Well, no, I'm just asking. It's at 22.
Oh, he's probably still on it.
Yeah, he's not getting out there.
Yeah, I was just wondering if he triple bagged it or something.
If I took a what?
He's wondering if you triple back.
No, I'm still in it. Oh, less than $7 from even.
Well, I haven't heard anything about grits today, so that's good for your short. I'm assuming. I haven't looked at the chart.
It's down almost. It's down over $3 today.
Nice.
I think
Oh, it's on SSR too.
It's just losing attention. And it just
Well, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Yep.
It's down SSR 2 days in a row. Yesterday was down 10% at one point also.
Well, if it was on SSR yesterday, it would still be on SSR today.
Right. Now it just extends it one more day.
Yep. Which isn't a good thing. Not for you.
Yeah, because you kind of want it shortable.
Yeah, you'd rather it come off of SSR.
You've been hammered.
We got 34 yesterday, so 30 down 33% from the high. Can't be too upset about that.
Yeah. All right now.
Doing its thing. Everybody's getting out of the pool. One by one.
It depends. If they launch out some news at some point and get people's attention back on it, and then it's gonna go back up. But
I don't think it's going to get down to 15. I was debating whether I should have a report today.
I cannot find a trade.
Nope.
NNOX, no shorts. That might be for you, bro.
Which one?
NNOX. November, Oscar, X-ray.
Yeah, it did jump $2.
Yeah, volume on it's a little iffy.
Yeah. 373,000.
That kind of has best written on it.
Yeah, it does, for sure.
I got that short stuff.
In my mind.
It's a little spready, too.
Yeah, volume's
Yeah.
good. I'm at 380,000. Pretty much all came in here, huh?
Yeah.
One of those is probably going to drop. It's just not going to drop fast. Here it goes already. Already down over $1.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay. I'm not in the mood to get caught in one of those today. I'm gonna stay away from it.
I feel ya. I just called it out because Charlie mentioned it. I pulled it up and was like, oh, Besh.
Appreciate ya. Appreciate ya.
Dude, what a trash day, man. Looking at home, looking like it wants to break up, but just chilling here. Northern Ireland locking down. Man, here it goes, man. Getting more volume and going higher. Look at this bad boy, dude.
Yep. I don't like those for that reason. And apparently, I just looked at the shares available too. It's pretty. We don't almost don't have any.
That's bananas.
GIK.
What is it?
GIK. We have shorts.
Gickety. Charlie's talking about too.
Capital 3 continues to strike 1734 now at the high for GIK.
Wait.
Oh, it didn't get the fill.
Anybody take this?
I did, and
Yeah.
I didn't get fill on the cover there.
So you're selling it too?
Yeah.
Oh,
They tried to cover down at like 1690. It didn't take it.
Yeah, same here.
I didn't go fill.
I'm taking it off here. I just don't. It's trying to get bought back up through 70. I didn't get filled a couple times.
You're making me
It
nervous.
probably still works. No, it probably still works. I just personally, I didn't like how it kept getting bought up through 17 that quick.
I just covered some of it, but
Yeah, I got all out too, dude. I don't know if you scared me out of it or I just.
Well, the price dropped all the way to 1688. I had my bid at 1692, and I didn't get any fill twice actually.
But I had a great entry on that, man.
Yeah, I was. What was yours?
Very top. Like 1728 or so.
Oh wow, nice. I was at 22.
I didn't even look at where I got in, but 1727 maybe, somewhere.
Yeah, this probably works. After that.
Talking about GIK?
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I missed that. I was downstairs.
Post mine. The fact that you guys said you couldn't get out of it, I was like, maybe I'll just take it off too. Jeez.
Well, yeah, that's usually when I get worried is like when it makes a drop like that and I can't get filled. That's when I get a little annoyed. Because it went right through my order, but I didn't get filled. Yeah, there's some bids propping in here.
Blue skies, dude. Yeah, this is going into blue skies over 1736. There ain't nothing above it. Still come high. GIK, GIK.
I just saw someone tweet about that.
Beautiful, man. Over that 1736, it's nothing above it to say stop.
There's some decent liquidity at 50.
Well, I'm not saying that there won't be sellers. I'm just saying there's nothing
Yeah.
daily to say. Here's your resistance.
Cancel Man just tweeted about that. EV maker 45 million order for zero emission.
Oh, so they have some news out. Alright. Let's see. No, why do we keep doing that? Somebody tell me what to pray. I don't see anything I like. Think I'm gonna take a nap tonight.
Yeah, this is probably gonna drop. I'd say to 1660s.
You still in, Lance Pants? Lance?
Oh shit, he's dead.
What did he say?
He's dead. He's not responding. He died.
Dead.
That's quite the leap.
Did that escalate quickly?
Just because the guy didn't respond.
Look at Devin.
Where's GIK? Where's GIK going down to?
Oh, we have issues.
This is what happens when there's nothing to trade.
You guys are terrible. You guys are
God, if he's
terrible.
really dead, I'm gonna go really bad, guys.
I shorted some GIK, so you guys might want to buy it.
Giggity.
You shorted here? Descending triangle, you're good.
1750.
1715? Oh, you're green. Nah, you should be good. There's the bubble map is saying you're good.
Bubble map.
17 all the way up through 1728. There's a lot of people saying we're not going higher. If it gets through 1728 though, it's going right to 1750. And then above that, your guess is as good as mine.
Bubble map. Trust in the bubble map.
Yeah, I would say 1720 is your biggest spot, but there's resistance even up to that point.
Oh, bubble map.
And your key point to the downside is 1688. Oh, that actually just dropped out. So through 17, this thing could wash pretty good.
This will make me invest with them.
Yeah, but it popped all the way back up the high day almost after we got out, so you can't really feel too dumb.
I already missed your face.
Yeah, look at all that on the bubbles.
I mean,
There's a
dude,
lot.
at this point, I feel like I can only safely assume the Jag did die.
The chickens got out.
The
Maybe.
chickens have left the barn.
But you keep taking my babies, now I'm gonna take you. Dude, there's so many options.
That 1720 pulled out. Now 1716 is kind of the make or break.
Giggity, giggity.
That could be a good thing.
It's always a little scary when they hold up this long and they let
Yeah.
that catch up.
There's a pretty decent order of 17. It kept hitting it there.
Yeah, this is when my weakness is sitting here holding while nothing's going on.
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
I mean, this is where you just have to put a stop in that you're happy with and just let it work.
I just feel if it's gonna rip when it just sits there, it's gonna freaking
There it goes. There's really nothing holding this up through 17. I mean, unless there's like a hidden fire somewhere. There it goes. Oh, you're out? Okay. So let me ask you a question, Steve. What was your plan there if it did go back up?
Oh,
You would have what?
added.
Well, I'm saying, like, so nowhere in your arsenal is there a cut at break even at that point?
Not at the first one, no. I mean, it topped off, and then it started coming down.
Well, I get that. I get that, but it was trying to find support at 17. Let's say it started to hold support at 17 and then it curled and over that 1713, 1715 area. Like, does that not appear to still be along there to you?
So I was actually ready to cover at 1713 because I realized I didn't have a full size.
That's the only reason?
Yeah.
To each his own. To each his own. I'm just gonna drop it. I was just curious.
I'm looking at, on my chart, I'm looking at the 9 is under 17, VWAP is well under, the 200 and the 50 are under 1650. So it shot up, there wasn't a follow through, so it's probably just going to bleed back out.
Well, correct, there wasn't a follow through, but there could have been. That was my point, is what do you do when it does follow through?
I didn't get in until like 6 candles after the high.
Okay, that's kind of my point.
So once there, I see there's no follow through from that initial pop. I feel like it's probably going to bleed off.
So you're looking for, well, obviously you're not looking for the all-day fade because you already got out, but I'm just saying, like, I see where your entry comes in. I agree with it. I'm just saying, what if that pattern or whatever you're looking for fails and starts to go higher? Are you just going to let it go high of day and then look to add to it? Is my question.
It have to go. I wouldn't add it high of day. I'm at a
Not at high of day. I'm saying, like, if it ripped through, like, and went to over 1750, like, you'd still be in the trade at that point, is what I'm saying.
There goes GME again.
Is it going?
Fucking GME. Did you see Wall Street Bets was posting about it again? Because Citron didn't do their speech yesterday because of the inauguration.
Yeah.
So they were supposed to do it today.
They are supposed to do it today. What was it, their speech about why this sucks?
Yeah, about why it's going back down to 20.
I don't want nobody caring.
Buying a stock is easy, but buying the right stock without a time-tested strategy is incredibly hard. So what are the best stocks to buy now or put on a watch list? I can't tell you that because I don't do
Definitely seems
like
it's
back-end
going back down
research.
20 today.
I just trade what's moving today. So I really can't help you there. GIK did come back down.
I don't talk about GITS.
And I mean, the reason it was having trouble dropping is just because some buyers were stepping in there at 17. They were trying to hold it up there. But that was a pretty big move from the bottom here. Which it might end up continuing, but just had to get rid of some of the weak buyers there first. Nice looking day, yeah. Got over my goal. I'll probably call it quits here. It's already 11:30. Can't really complain.
Hard to take GME too, though. For long.
Yeah, I can see that. It's got such big move and a big range.
Yeah, this thing is red. I'm not like totally hating it. I don't know, man. QTT running. Just trying to do something. Up and downs all over the place.
I was watching BEST. I'd like to see this up through like 240 though.
BEST.
Best. Range is really small, but that's why I said I want to see it move. Oh.
1,000 shares maybe here, huh? No, I'm not trading that.
I want to see it up to through 240 if I'm gonna mess with it.
Which one's it?
BEST. Best.
Best?
Best. Best stock in America. B, Bob, E, Elephant, S, Sam, T, Tom.
Best.
Why didn't you
You are the best.
You are not the best.
Phil.
I am not the best trader. I'm not even a trader. I just fool around.
You do trade. You trade people clothes for money.
I do.
True.
I trade money for electronic stocks.
If you are making money in some way, shape, or form, you're a trader.
Because I'm actually making money.
Well, you're trading like people that work a 9 to 5. You're literally trading your time for money.
Bunch of whores. So they
We're
are
not streaming, are we?
pouring themselves out.
Vishiani, we still streaming?
Yeah, we are.
Hey, really? Why?
Because I'm still here.
There's nothing going on.
Yeah, I know. I was literally getting ready to cut it off here at 11:30. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna cut it off. Not even gonna run the scanners. It really did slow down, so really not too much to look at. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, find me in the Discord. Come join us. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Until then, peace.